They call it a superfood, but the truth about chia seeds will shock you. What happens inside your body is far beyond what you imagine.
Let's talk about the real benefits of chia seeds. When we talk about omega-3 fatty acids, we often hear that they're good for the heart. Omega-3 helps thin the blood and support heart health, which is why fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are recommended. They have high levels of omega-3. Now, many people say that chia seeds have even more omega-3 than fish. So what's the difference? The truth is, the omega-3 found in chia seeds is not the active form that provides strong anti-inflammatory benefits. The active form of omega-3, which the body can use directly, is called DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. The type of omega-3 in chia seeds is ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, and yes, chia seeds are one of the richest sources of ALA. But ALA is actually a precursor, or raw material, that the body must convert into DHA before it can be used. Here's the catch: the body can only convert about 5% of ALA into DHA. That's a very small amount. Now, let's move to the next point: eggs. One medium-sized egg contains around 7 grams of protein, while chia seeds contain about 4 grams. But are they the same? Not really. Egg protein is one of the most bioavailable proteins, meaning the body can easily absorb and use it. The most bioavailable protein of all is mother's milk, followed by eggs, meat, and fish. Plant-based proteins, like those in chia seeds, are much lower on that list. In fact, even after researching a lot, I couldn't find a clear answer to how bioavailable chia seed protein really is. Chia seeds also contain vitamin E, a small amount of vitamin C, and B vitamins along with calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. According to research, chia seeds are considered cardioprotective, meaning they help protect the heart, lower blood pressure, support brain health, and slightly thin the blood. But the biggest benefit of chia seeds comes from their soluble fiber. Here's what I do. I take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, add them to half a cup of water, stir, and let them sit for a few minutes until they form a gel-like texture. Then, I take a bowl of unsweetened homemade yogurt, add some walnuts, almonds, and figs, and finally mix in the chia seed gel. The result? A delicious and healthy pudding. But the real benefit lies in that gel. That gel is soluble fiber, which acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut, microbiome. These bacteria feed on this fiber, turn it into energy, and that energy becomes fuel for the cells of your large intestine. If you suffer from gut inflammation or digestive issues, this chia seed gel can be very helpful. And yes, it can also relieve constipation. Some people worry that chia seeds contain lectins, which might irritate the colon. But don't worry, the lectin level in chia seeds is extremely low, so it's not a concern. The chia gel doesn't only contain fiber, it also has polyphenols, which are plant nutrients that your gut microbes love. When you feed these microbes, they, in return, support your overall health, mood, and energy. That is why I always recommend adding chia seeds to your daily diet, along with other foods that help feed your gut microbes, like fermented vegetables, vinegar-based pickles, homemade yogurt, or kefir sauerkraut kimchi. And one more important tip: never grind chia seeds. Always soak them whole before eating. Chia seeds have been used for centuries as a superfood, and they truly deserve that title. That's it for today's video. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and stay happy.